Here we're looking at the electric reversible heat blanket by Serta, and it comes with 2 remote controllers. Here I'll be giving my honest thoughts after owning this for over a year. Since the weather was going to be chilly for a camping trip, I decided to get this to help stay warm at night in the tent while we were on a camping trip. Also, I can use this at home for the couch or in the bedroom. What's nice is it has fleece and it's also Sherpa on the other side. So it's reversible, so you can flip it if you want to feel a certain way. You just change it. The controllers they actually are backlit, so you could actually make adjustments in the night with the lights off. You control the heat, and the heat level is from 1 to 10. And they also have a built-in timer. The timer is from 1 hour to 12 hours. Another thing I like is that each controller is actually assigned to one side of the blanket. So that way, if you're with a partner, they could have their own controller and they can heat up their side of the blanket, and then you can heat up your side of the blanket. And you can have your own time, your own heat, and then you can sleep in alone if you want. One thing I noticed that the controllers don't have a temperature gauge on there, so you don't really know what the temperature is. So with the temperature, you just go by feel. And you do have the option to adjust the timer and the heat at any time. If you experience this on your controller where it shows a blinking F, make sure that your connector is connected to the blanket. Be sure to unplug the plug and then connect the connector to the blanket. Here's the connector that connects from the controller to the blanket, and it's really not that difficult to plug in. It only goes in one direction, since there's grooves that prevent it from being in the wrong direction. So you can see that there's slots, so make sure the slots line up with the grooves that are inside the connector. Just push right in, snaps, and locks in place. And to release it, you just squeeze, pull out. And you can see the grooves right here. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. So what's nice is that the controllers come with long cables, so you can place the cables underneath your mattress, across the bed. As long as the controller is near you, it could be on the nightstand, and easy access to turn it on and off and adjust the controller. So you do have the option to place the blanket in any direction because the cables are really long. One of the things that I don't like is I haven't really figured out the best place to keep my cables, either underneath the mattress or along the mattress, from the foot of the mattress or from the head of the mattress. So I'm still trying to figure that out. You can also use an extension cord as well to make it easier for you. Another thing I don't like is that it stays pretty warm and you don't want to get out of bed. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.